And then the fifth thing here. And there is this idea of manifestation, of positive thinking, of just the easy route, basically. Oh yeah, you go girl, just manifest it. No, of course not. If you want something, you go through the pain of action. You go through the pain of discipline. People, as adults, we learn through some form of suffering. Whether that's our past experiences. So for example, you see people who are in a relationship where they're not happy. People break up, things fall apart, and that becomes the catalyst for someone to really change. That becomes the experience where it's so painful that staying where someone is, in their skills, in their personality, at their basically their level in life, becomes so painful that people change. People change through suffering. So the times when I was feeling anxious, when I was depressed, those in hindsight are the best times of my life because they forced me to grow. It is the pain that qualifies me to bring you this information. It is the pain that qualifies me to become the man that I know I should have been. Right? If I hadn't gone through all of that pain, I would still be some loser somewhere at a fraction of the person I am today. And so we learn through our journey. We learn through doing the hard things. We learn through putting ourselves in uncomfortable situations. That's the journey it takes. It's hard work. It doesn't feel good all the time. If you have this idea in personal development that all you're gonna do is be feeling better, happier, and having a smile on your face the entire fucking time, hell fucking no. When you go to the gym for the first time, you are gonna be like, oh my god, my muscles are falling apart. I cannot do this. When you go through a change, it's gonna be uncomfortable. It's gonna be terrible. It's gonna be feeling bad in the moment. But guess what? As you push through that pain, as you do the uncomfortable things, as you do the hard stuff that you know success requires of you, in time, you're gonna be feeling more fulfilled about yourself. You're gonna be feeling happier in time. In those moments of pain, you will feel worse. So let go of this idea that personal development is just this joyous unicorn ride forward. It will be painful. It will be hard. There will be moments when you are like, oh my god, I never want to go through this again. Those moments will come, 100% certain. Be okay with that. Realize that growth happens because of those painful moments, because you put yourself through hell in some cases of changing, because you put yourself through the difficult trials, because you are not making life easier on yourself, but instead you make it harder. Because of those things, you learn way faster. You grow way stronger, and you turn into the man or the woman who is capable of achieving any goal they set their minds to. It happens through a journey of struggle, a journey of pain, not through the magical unicorn ride. If you want to watch the full video that this clip has been from, go ahead, click over there, and click over there on that side to subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss new uploads that will take your life to that next level.